fidget spinner. When I first saw these at school, students had these. And I was curious, what the heck is this? And he said, it's a fidget spinner. So I asked him, what does it do? This is all it does. It just spins. And you can even balance it. And do many other things. But I was like asking them, like, what is it supposed to do? And my students were saying, like, it helps concentration. It helps people focus. I'm thinking to myself, how does this help people focus? Now, maybe for someone with, you know, learning disabilities, maybe. But I just don't see it. How does it? And this was a week ago I found out about these. And the crazy thing was that after that time I noticed these, more and more kids have these. And they come in all shapes and colors and sizes, and some even look like a Batman symbol. Some even have fireballs on the end. Some are plastic, some are glass, some are metal, some are gold. And I'm like, what the heck is going on here? And when I went to the mall, I see more kids having these. I've seen kiosks selling these. I went to Newberry Comics, and they sell these too. And you know what the funny thing is? I went to go get gas at 7-Eleven, and guess what? They sell them as well. These things go about $10 a piece. And all these kids are having these. Some even say they have like 5 or 10. I'm like, $50 for these? What is the appeal? All it does is spin. That's all it does. And the crazy thing is, there's one online that said there's one that is made with real diamonds and jewelry. Some even worth up to $10,000 just for something like this that spins. That's all it does. Very simplistic, and whoever created these is making a freaking lot of money. You know, back in my days, yes, we had things like this. Like, we had those clickers. We had those strap bracelets that just strap on your arm by itself. We even had Pogs. But I think this is a fad. I mean, this is the new thing now. And my wife, Kimmy Rose, is into this. My son has his own too, and he's into this. I don't know, guys. Whoever created this is making a lot of money for creating something so simple. But I don't know, guys. I really think that the popularity for these things is not going to last very long. I think before the end of this year, people are not going to care about this and just go to the next thing. I could be wrong, though. Because, like I said, I'm seeing countless of people owning these. Adults, teenagers, especially kids. Selling something that all it does is spin. That's it. What do you guys think? Do you own one? And will this last forever? Comment down below. Always dream big.